Hello and welcome to my lecture number 10 of research methodology. Today I'm going to talk about scientific research. Scientific research, I tell you that I start with few questions. How is it different from non-scientific research? I mean, how scientific research is different from non-scientific research. Let me tell you from the beginning. If you pause this video and comment below, let me see how do you think how it is different. Okay, scientific research focuses on solving problems and it pursues a step-by-step logical, organized and rigorous method to number 1, identify the problems, number 2, collect the data, number 3, analyze the data, and finally draw valid conclusions. What is non-scientific research? My question is here for you. A non-scientific research is based on hunches or to some extent some experiences and intuitions. Now, what is the significance of scientific research? Scientific research significance is here. This research is not based on hunches or broken experiences and intuitions. It is purposive and rigorous. Scientific research enables all those who are interested in researching and knowing about the same or similar issues to come up with comparable findings when data are analyzed. And scientific research also helps you to go for the findings which are accurate in nature and you are confident on that. Okay. So, it applies solution to similar problems. Scientific research is more objective in nature as compared to being subjective as non-scientific research is there. Scientific research highlights the most critical factors that at the workplace that need specific attention to solve or minimize the problems. Let me tell you, the scientific investigation or the research and managerial decisions, they are combined together to go for making, and this makings are integral part of effective problem solving at the higher level in decision making regime or level of the people. Scientific research can be applied to both either basic or applied research. So, my name is Dr. Zia. I thank you very much. Please subscribe, like, and share. And see you in my next lecture. Thank you.